Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. When the Lord calls us, He calls us not only an individual, He also calls us or forms a group of people. Kunyari na lamang po, tayo pong lahat na naririto ngayon sa misang ito. God has called us. Tayo ay bayang tinawag ng Diyos. You will be formed into or as workmates, as groupmates, co-servants, departments, and to the many groups or cliques that we all belong to. We were called to be together, not to form a commotion, but to do something important, something significant, something worthwhile, something that can make people happy. To talk about Joseph and his brothers would mean a very sad thing from what we have heard in our first reading. Balikan lang po natin, bakit nga ba masakit ang karanasan ni Jose sa kanyang mga kapatid? Itinapon siya ng mga kapatid niya. Pinabayaan na siya. Kinalimutan siya ng kanyang mga kapatid. Napag-isahan na ika nga. His brothers made something that is hurtful rather than doing something that is worthwhile. And now we've heard that they approached Joseph, begged their rations, and realized what they have done to their brother. Once more, to talk about a group of people, we heard Jesus calling the 12 and sent them out for a mission. Isang grupo ang tinawag, isang grupo ang binuo para gumawa ng mga bagay na may saysay. And Jesus wished them, go to the lost sheep of the house of Israel and proclaim the kingdom of God to them. Jesus called these men, this group we call the apostles, to do worthwhile things, to do significant things in life. My beloved brothers and sisters, it is good that we take care of the groups we all belong to. Your families, your cliques, friends, fellow servers, friends may be formed by age or by experience. At sa lahat na tinawag ng Diyos o ibinuo ng Diyos. May these groups, these people we belong to, lead us to do worthwhile things rather than selfish and uncharitable things. Baka ang isang samahan nagbubunga lamang ng kasamaan. Ang isang grupo panay walang saysay ang ginagawa. God has called us to families and connections so that we do worthwhile things and most of all, God's will and goodness. We are called to do worthwhile, valuable, and good things. Make the most out of these avenues. Itong mga kinikilusan natin para mamukod tangi o mangibabaw ang mga magagandang buhay, mga gawain mula sa puso, at mga bagay na banal at kasiya-siya sa bawat isa.